Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the purchase complete notifications on the Klarna application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile button at the bottom of the screen next to the budget option, and then you go to the settings icon at the upper right corner. In the general section you can find the second option, the notifications, and here in the purchase and payments section you can find the second option, the purchase complete, and if you want to enable, just click to the next gray circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.